Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into AWS SSO, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type AWS SSO into the search bar and press enter. Locate the official AWS single sign-on page in the search results and click on it. Once the page loads, look for the sign-in button, usually found in the upper right corner. Click on the sign-in button. You will be directed to the login page. At this point, enter your email address associated with your AWS account. Click on the Next button to proceed. You will receive a prompt to enter your password. Type in your password and click the Sign In button. If your organization uses multi-factor authentication, a prompt will appear asking for your MFA code. Check your authenticator app or your designated device for the code. Enter the MFA code in the required field and submit it. You will now be logged into your AWS SSO dashboard. From here, you will see a list of applications and accounts that you can access. Select the desired application or account to continue. If this is your first time logging in, take a moment to explore the dashboard and familiarize yourself with the layout. For assistance, refer to the help documentation available on the AWS website. And that's how you log into AWS SSO. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.